This is a review of the Magic Drift front lip for your 99-04 Mustang that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this front lip. Now, one of the first few things I want to mention about this front lip is that it's made of a polyurethane material, which means it's like a high quality plastic material, which usually doesn't break down that easily as compared to other front lips out there. And I do want to say that this front lip is not just that, but when I got it, it was pretty much a little bit of creases and all that stuff. But other than that, what I had to do was pretty much let this front lips, soak outside in the sunlight, let it pretty much dry out, and from there there's no creases or anything anymore. Now it looks perfectly beautiful and smooth, the surface. And to install this front lip is relatively very easy, not too difficult. A average person could install this. It's not anything too hard. What you need is, it comes with the supplied self-tapping screws that you pretty much use these self-tapping screws to pretty much screw it inside. You can pretty much use a drill bit and pretty much wherever your measurements are, put it inside. Now I do want to say this is for your 99-04 Mustang, and it is a direct fit. I test fitted it to see, and it does fit very well and looks very nice. And I absolutely overall love this front lip. And I do want to say I previously owned another chin spoiler that wasn't from Magic Drift, and it wasn't as long as compared to this one. I love how the styling is on this front lip, because it gives that little bit of aggressive muscular appearance, especially for your 99-04 Mustang, and it really looks beautiful once it gets installed. I know for sure it's going to look absolutely beautiful. But other than that, I would definitely recommend the Magic Drift front lip for your 99-04 Mustang. If you're looking to change your entire appearance of your new edge Mustang, then I would definitely recommend the Magic Drift front lip, because of the fact it's going to change your whole front fascia of the front end of your vehicle, and it's going to look, it's going to change and give you that muscular and aggressive appearance of your front end. And the installation, it looks like I told you guys, it looks very easy. All you have to do is get your self-tapping screws, measure where you have to measure, and pretty much drill it in, and it should be installed just like that. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this. It looks very high quality, like durable plastic. It looks like it could endure bumps and all of that. The quality is pretty much a high-end quality plastic. It looks pretty strong. But yeah, other than that, I would definitely recommend the Magic Drift front lip.